days like this, it's good to be home. Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. It's been super long time since I filmed, since I even said that or made a video or anything like that. You know, we've been quarantined, so we weren't able to film together, and we did a whole poll on our Instagram, which is right here, about if we should film separate videos, do it separate while we're in quarantine. Most people said that we should film separate, but it didn't feel right to film separate because this channel is me and Matt. It's not just me, it's not just him, it's us together. So I feel like any video we put out together, it should be us together, because that's what our channel is about. And obviously we weren't together because of quarantine, so we just decided to not post for a little bit, take a little break, especially with everything going on, take a breather. There's people looking at me. Anyway, so as you can see, Matt is not with me right now because he has no idea that I am here in his house. I decided to surprise him today. He has no idea. We haven't seen each other about a month, I guess you can say, and it's been really hard on us. I'm working so much more, so we're barely talking at this point, so it's really been hard. But today I decided to surprise him. I'm so excited. I can't wait to see him. I miss him so much. It's been super hard. Like, we FaceTime as much as we can, but you know, it's never the same, especially since we see each other so much. So now it's kind of hard not seeing him. But right now he thinks I am at work. He doesn't think I'm at his bedroom, basically. He has no idea, so I'm pretty excited to see what he's gonna say, and just to see him and smell him and hug him. I missed him so much. So the main reason why I decided to go see him today and not any time before was because in New York we're still under quarantine, but the peak has ended. But the peak has ended in New York, which means that it's still contagious, but the numbers are not increasing as much as it was with the peak being so high. So it's a little better now, so I decided this is a good time to go see him, because honestly this whole quarantine, it looks like it's not gonna stop. This whole quarantine looks like it's not gonna end anytime soon, maybe in the fall, and I just decided it'd be a good day to go see him. And I missed him so much. Oh my god, I can't wait to see him. It feels so weird filming right now. It just feels so weird, and so weird because me and him were like always saying, like, we miss making videos. We miss it so much. It's become like our thing now. Like, every time we see each other, oh, let's make a video. Let's do this. Let's do that. You know? Oh my god, we gotta show the camera. We gotta show them, guys, like everything. But yeah, so I'm basically gonna set up the camera, and he should be coming home soon, and we'll see his reaction. And I'll see you soon. I'm gonna come with you.
You for real?
Yeah.
You for real? You came over to surprise me?
Yeah.
You're lying. I'm dreaming. I'm not home. I'm dreaming right now. Oh, I'm so sweaty.
Why are you sweaty?
Because it's hot outside. My room was a mess a minute ago.
Yeah, did you notice? I cleaned up a little bit.
I'm gonna go.
Come on, give me a hug.
Cause I wanna be loved by you. I wanna be loved by you. Cause I wanna be loved
some videos, so.
I'm gonna wash my face.
Like that.
Oh my god, you're here today.
Are you excited?
That's why you asked me what time I was coming out.
No, don't know.
That's insane.
I surprised you, baby.
So today I had a little surprise. My wife came over. She came all the way from her house to surprise me after work.
I didn't go to work.
No, surprise me after my job. I just came out of work. So I don't look too perfect right now, but you know,
I'm gonna fix them up.
She's gonna hook it up for me right now. 'Cause I look a mess, I look like a caveman right now.
It's the quarantine status.
I missed this one right here.
I know you do. Ooh, look at your lips, baby. Ooh, okay. Usually he'd be like, no, this looks ugly.
Because I miss her, you know what I'm saying? You got hair in your lips.
Why you make fun of me?
I miss you.
I missed you too. So we're gonna be making some videos.
We back in action, everybody.
Yeah. We'll see you in our next video.
See you in the next video.